Ever Palikpik. Pard, good luck sa atin ha. Ilan ang entry mo ngayon?
Entry ko ngayon ay bali 4 na.
Yan. Ito nga po, tropa natin si Ever Palikpik. Ayun, at nagsisimula na nga itong dog show dito sa Ring 2 ay ang Wells Corgi Pembroke. At doon naman sa kabilang ring ay ang Spitz and Primitive types. Inunahan po dyan kanina ng American nakita. But ngayon ay Chow Chow na. Dahil ito nga po ay Chow Chow Club of the Philippines. Ay meron pong specialty ng Chow Chow po. Kaya makakakita po tayo dito ng iba't ibang klase ng mga Chow Chow.
Yes, Mr. Hernan.
Yeah! Mr. Abet Palikpik po.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Blossom.
Diba? Ilan hawak mo to?
4.
Ha?
4.
Apat? Ang dami. Ilan yung apat? Ilan? Nga, ilan? Ganyan, apat? Apat yan? Good! Very good.
Si Jaylin daw, huwag na ngayon malaman.
So ayun, dito sa first ring ay ang Chow Chow. Chow Chow breed. At ang entry po ng Chow Chow ngayon ay nasa 29. Nasa 29 entries ng Chow Chow. Dahil Chow Chow Club of the Philippines Incorporated ang may pa-show po nito ngayon dito sa PCCI Activity Center. At abangan nyo pa guys yung ibang mga kaganapan at yung pagbe-best of breed para dito sa Chow Chow Specialty Show. And then may entry tayo sa Corgi. Ito si Creamy. Yan, entry natin si Creamy na 22 months old. At meron dyan si Winstar na 3 years old para sa special class. Winstar is a Hall of Fame na. Pero yun, sinasali pa rin natin. Special class male Chow Chow. Yan. Champion, Philippine champion, Philippine Grand Champion, and Philippine Hall of Fame of Records. Boss Nico! Gusta? Ilan dala mo? Dalawang baby puppy?
Breeding.
Yan, nice. Good luck. Yun. Okay, ito na yung special female. At ang naglalaban po sa special class ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 po na mga Philippine Champion, Grand Champion, and Hall of Fame of Records, yung mga naandyan pong aso. Okay. So hindi natin nakita yung nanalo sa male. So mamaya sa ibang judge makikita natin dahil busy tayo sa kabila sa Wells Corgi Pembroke dun sa ring 2. Golden Retriever naman dito sa second ring, sa first ring dahil katatapos lang ng Wells Corgi. So ito naman ay sporting group. Kanina American Cocker Spaniel, ngayon Golden Retriever at mamaya naman ay ang Labrador Retriever. Sporting group competition. Nandiyan po ang American Cocker Spaniel Ascot, Golden Retriever and Labrador Retriever. One round. Side gate. Golden Retriever, Labrador. Group 1 ay ang Golden Retriever, second group ay ang Labrador, and third ang Cocker Spaniel. Smooth Fox Terrier para sa Terrier group. Jack Russell Terrier. Okay, Best Baby Puppy Show dito po sa Chow Chow Club of the Philippines Incorporated, All Breed Championship Dog Show.
Welcome to our first Best in Show competition.
Yan.
Let's welcome our judge.
Andyan ang
Miss Victoria
Wells Corgi Pembroke. Wells Corgi Pembroke para sa Best Baby Puppy Show, representing the herding group, the Schnauzer, the Jack Russell Terrier, the Chow Chow, the Labrador Retriever, and the Bichon Frise. Yan. Yan po ang maglalaban sa Best Baby Puppy Show. At ang judge dyan ay si Miss Victoria Numatova ng Uzbekistan. Yan, up and down movement, straight and back, at dalawa yung pinapatakbo niya. So pinagko-compare niya yun. Ayan, Jack Russell and Chow Chow for the baby puppy. At ito ang Labrador Retriever and the Bichon Frise. Ayan, nakapili na po siya. Kumuha na po siya na
Will receive
tatlo.
merchandise from our sponsor, I Am
Diyan
Worldwide.
ang Bichon Frise, ang Miniature Schnauzer, and Jack Russell Terrier. So tatlo po yung pipiliin dyan. Best in Show 1, Best in Show 2, and Best in Show 3. So we have the winner. Third Best Baby Puppy Show, Bichon. Third.
Our second baby puppy show.
Second Best Baby Puppy Show, Jack Russell.
May we request the
Best Baby
winners
Puppy Show ay Miniature Schnauzer, representing the Molosside breed. Pinchard Schnauzer or Molosside breed.
Next is the puppy show competition.
Okay, ito na yung Puppy Show competition. Andiyan ang Welsh Cocker Pembroke, Doberman, Beagle, American Cocker Spaniel, Chow Chow, Bichon Frise, at ito isa Norwich Terrier. Hey! So, best puppy show. Puppy show is about 6 to 9 months of age. So, ganun ulit, up and down movement or straight and back. Yan, ang Welsh Corgi Pembroke at ito ang Norwich Terrier.
Once again, all the winners will receive merchandise from the sponsor, I Am Worldwide.
And then, ito ang Doberman, Pincher, and the
Beagle
Beagle.
will receive the dog food from Power Dog.
And then, ang Cocker Spaniel at ang Chow Chow. Oh, at ang Bichon Frise. So, tatlo sila na up and down movement. Okay, pipili na uli ang judge ng Best Puppy in Show 1, 2, and 3. Okay, ayun ang isa, Norwich Terrier. Ayun ang Doberman at isang Chow Chow. So yan yung choice niya. Ay hindi pala Chow Chow. Chow Chow. So yan tatlong yan ang pagpipilian niya ng Best in Show 1, 2, and 3.
Show winner.
Third goes to the Doberman.
The
Second,
winner of the second puppy show
Norwich Terrier.
and our best puppy show
Goes to the Chow Chow. Best Baby Popping Show. Under judge, Mr. Rail Sekic ng Serbia. At nandyan po ang Welsh Corgi Pembroke, ang Miniature Schnauzer, ang Jack Russell, ang Pomeranian, Labrador Retriever, and the Chihuahua. Okay, third best in show.
Our third best baby popping show winner.
Third best baby popping show. Corgi. Yun. Congratulations. And the second best baby popping show.
Our second baby popping show winner.
Chihuahua. Yun. Chihuahua.
And our best baby popping show, congratulations.
Goes to the Pomeranian. Congratulations sa mga winners.
Next is the
At ito naman ang Best Puppy in Show competition. Welsh Corgi, Pembroke, Doberman Pinscher, Norwich Terrier, Beagle, Chow Chow, Cocker Spaniel, and yun, the French Bulldog yung nasa huli. Welsh Corgi Pembroke representing the herding group. The Doberman Pinscher representing the Pinscher Schnauzer group or Molosset breed. And Norwich Terrier representing the Terrier group. The Beagle representing the Hound group. The Chow Chow representing the Spitz and Primitive Types group. The American Cocker Spaniel representing the Sporting group or Flashing Dog and Retriever. Retriever Flashing Dog. And the French Bulldog representing the Toy Dog and Companion. Okay. The French Bulldog, ayan, no? Representing the Toy Dog and Companion. Toy and Companion Dog. Okay. Ito po ang Best Puppy in Show.
for the third popping show winner.
Third place is the French Bulldog. Second place goes
Our
to
second popping show winner.
the American Cocker Spaniel.
And our best popping show.
Goes to the Chow Chow.
Congratulations. the winner of the Best in Show, the Chow Chow Club of the Philippines, would like to thank our judge from Serbia, Mr. Ray Lusakic, for having officiated as judge during the 29th All Breed. Thank you so much, Mr. Sakic. The winner for the third Best in Show.
Boxer, Asia.
Our second Best in Show winner.
Asia.
And the winner for the Best in Show.
Jerry pala.